do that. They are wasting resources. Are you telling me, have you ever seen Trump? Prime Minister ya Britain eko move around konya gotangaza gose ministers wa konya gotangaza ngaki we have done this, we have done that. What is the purpose of the budget? The budget, you send this money where it is supposed to go, and then there are people who go for the implementation of those projects. Why should you be moving around? We were supposed to do this, in fact, it is a crude way of administration up to this level. Yes, it has been done. They are not blind. They can see and they can touch. ECD 120, you don't need to tell them. Because they will see it. You see? No, because of that crudeness, kwanyora abantu banalire konya kungainu n'abantu baito banchire banyagutangazirwa amatanga gati na omuntu okogenda liba okwanda te abantu pole so gusiririwa omuntu tene no ira 15 minutes 20 minutes ako tutebichi project oigabana yakolire kisi tutarochi umaita kero moko tebiwa sa matanga igo meaning imochirochi ngotebi ngure bintu byobolimo. Yes. You live there. You live in that county. You should know.